Hello everyone. I hope all of you guys are good. We are going to log in and I'm going to show you in this video there are a hack. This server which you see VPS hosting server, it is already hacked and all websites are infected. Now how will you know either the server has got a problem or the website? So first we see that how the things are set up, like is their hosting is working properly. So we can see yes, due date is this, so it's still valid, and how the host name is. So we can find this information in server information, and you can find primary IP, assigned IP, name servers, VPS information you can see, and the same two different IP addresses here. You see these two are here, you can find here, both are the same. So after that we need to check host name is connected and correct. The power is on, so from here you can power off or restart, or you can stop or start from here. So this is just to let you know that where you can find these information on A2Hosting. So they have assigned disk usage, this is CPU usage, and here we see some kind of system alert. So it looks like that there is a problem. Now we need to check in system alert in what dates. So date wise we will go see the CPU, RAM and disk usage. Next page. So you can see that still CPU is taking a lot. So what kind of cPanel is it? Okay. Additional information is here. Web hosting manager. This is their IP address link. Control panel also with their link. Port 7822. And email information is below, so they are correct. Now we go to domains. First we have to see how many domains are in there. They all might be infected or hacked. All website could be hacked. So right now we are going to find the problem and we need to check the securities. The directory is good. Now we see the installations, what the domain name are or domain names are showing us, the information, are they broken, connected, infected, or which kind of security issues they have. Let's see. There are a couple of websites have got a problem, security problem, same here. So these websites might be hacked. Soon I will check and show you. And this one the same. So all four are hacked. Now we check the main one. We are going to refresh and see the status. Status is the same, it is broken. So these websites are all hacked. Now we see the installations. In this section we see how many websites are installed directly and how they are showing up on the left hand side panel. So here we don't see a website, it means it is hacked. Let's see the next one. This one we see, so the website is okay, it is not hacked. The third one, is also showing up, so this is also working, is not hacked. So now we need to check the databases, and as you have seen there were only 3 websites direct installation, and here we see around 7 websites database, different size, different name, and they have different kind of privileges. We need to see which one we need to keep and which one we need to delete. And the size wise we can understand which one is hacked. It looks like this one is hacked because it is a huge database. Now we see in file manager, and I'll show you here how the files look like. Those are infected in each and every domain. So we will go one by one. So these are the domain. There are more than 3. So it looks like other websites also installed. Now we are in a website folder, and let's see how many files are infected and how is the structure showing. So first we see the htaccess file. Here the parameters are okay. there is no problem. We are going to close. Now we go to the next website. And here you can see the folder up to WP content is okay, and after that these all files are hacked files or infected files inserted. There are so many, so we need to see and then delete them all. This file as well we need to see because it is compromised, and there could be some scripts or files. This file is also infected. This is not a correct file. This is also infection, malware. You can see the size as well of these, all the one I showed you earlier. Here is as well is compromised in this next website folder. So there is a lot to carry on and to rectify the issues and to remove the files such as this one. You can see this is also infected, and this kind of text file or test file, I don't know who is gonna use this, but hackers they use. So we need to go through one by one and delete them. Next website folder we are going this one. Here is not anything installed, so we check this one again, and here we see a couple of files are infected. You see this file, this is a very strange kind of name, and these file formation and structure is not suitable for WordPress. So these are infected files. The infected files are always empty, or sometimes they have a kind of a script inside, but this one is empty. So this one is connected to somewhere else or with database. Now we go to content section. Here is okay. Now coming back again to hosting, and as you know, I have tried my best to show you the infected files. Now we are going to clean this whole hosting and the websites. So the same way you have to do in case something happened to your website and hosting. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.